Today, we will talk about economies of scope. Economies of scope mean that the production of one good reduces the cost of producing another related good. This occurs when producing a wider variety of goods or services together is more cost-effective for a firm than producing less of a variety, or producing each good independently. It results in a decrease in the long-run average and marginal cost of a company, organization, or economy due to the production of complementary goods and services. Economies of scope are economic factors that make the simultaneous manufacturing of different products more cost-effective than manufacturing them on their own. An example of this is a train carrying both passengers and freight, which is more cost-effective than having separate trains for each category, resulting in lower costs for both the train and its users. Economies of scope can arise from co-production relationships between final products, known as complements in production. An example of this is how dairy farmers separate raw milk from cows into whey and curds, with the curds going on to become cheese while the whey can be used as high-protein feed for livestock or sold as a nutritional product, reducing waste and increasing revenues. Economies of scope can also result from the direct interaction of two or more production processes, like the Three Sisters crops cultivated by Native Americans, where planting corn, pole beans, and squash together increases the yield and improves the soil for all three crops, reducing costs. Economies of scope can often come from common inputs to the production of different goods, such as a restaurant producing chicken fingers and French fries at a lower cost because they can share the same storage, fryers, and cooks during production. Economies of scope can be achieved through related diversification, horizontal mergers or acquisitions, and by discovering new uses for resource byproducts, resulting in lower average costs and increased efficiency for large businesses. For example, if a leading desktop computer producer decides to remodel its manufacturing building to produce a variety of electronic devices, like laptops, tablets, and phones, the average total cost of production decreases because the cost of operating the manufacturing building is spread out across multiple products, resulting in lower costs. Here are three key takeaways. 1. Economies of scope describe situations where producing two or more goods together results in a lower marginal cost than producing them separately. 2. Economies of scope differ from economies of scale, in that the former means producing a variety of different products together to reduce costs, while the latter means producing more of the same good in order to reduce costs by increasing efficiency. 3. Economies of scope can result from goods that are co-products or complements in production, goods that have complementary production processes, or goods that share inputs to production. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.